Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to extract country data from the World Bank World Development Indicators or WDI. We will work with the BRIC countries, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. This video shows the manual approach. If you want to learn how to automate the entire process using AI, or even build an AI agent to do it for you, without using the World Bank website, you can watch my other videos on this channel. Okay, let's get started.
First, open your web browser and go to any search engine. Search for World Development Indicators or WDI. Click on the WDI databank link to open the main interface. You are now inside the WDI databank. This is where you can build tables, charts, and maps using official World Bank data. Let's start by selecting countries. On the left-hand side, find the country or economy selector. Click on it to open the list of countries. In the search bar, type Brazil and select it. Then search for Russia and select it. Next, add India, China, and South Africa. You should now see all 5 BRICS countries listed as selected. These are the countries we will analyze. Next, we choose Indicators. Indicators tell us what variable we want to study. Click on the Indicator selector. In the search box, type GDP per capita. Select GDP per capita, current US dollars. Now search for inflation. Select inflation, consumer prices, annual percent. Next, search for internet users. Select individuals using the internet, percent of population. You have now selected 3 indicators that are commonly used in economic and digital development analysis. Next, we choose the time period. Click on the time or year selector. Select a range of years, such as from the year 2000 to the most recent year available. This allows us to compare trends over time across countries. Now let's view the data. Click Apply Changes. WDI displays the data with countries set as pages, which is not always the most convenient layout for analysis. So next, I clicked on Layout to change how the data is displayed. I rearranged the layout so that time appears in columns, countries appear in rows, and indicators are organized in a way that makes comparison easier. This layout makes it much easier to visually scan the data, compare countries over time, and prepare the dataset for download and further analysis. In the table, you can see values for each country, indicator, and year. This is the raw data that researchers typically work with. Next, click on the Chart view. The chart view allows you to visualize trends over time. You can compare how countries differ and how indicators change. If you want a geographic perspective, click on the Map view. This shows how indicators vary across countries visually. Once you are satisfied with your selection, you can download the data. Look for the download options. Choose Excel if you want an easy-to-read file. Choose CSV if you plan to use the data for coding or automation. Save the file to your computer. You can now use this dataset for further analysis.